Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at these cheese crisps. I didn't think that they would actually work, but it's kind of mind-blowing, and they're really simple. All I have is regular sliced cheese. This is from this Walmart brand. And all you do, this is a silicone baking tray. You take a slice. These fit perfectly in this 3-bin cheese tray here. It's not a cheese tray, silicone tray. Anyway, one slice per, just leave the corners folded up, it's fine. And then for this is Colby Jack. This seems to be about 2 minutes per baking tray. In the microwave on high, and just let it sizzle. It's kind of like popcorn. You can, once you hear it start to slow down in the sizzling, that's pretty much when it's done. I've also tried the pepper jack, and that didn't quite work as well. Still a little bit floppy when it comes out, but then it firms up pretty decent. It's still not quite as crisp, but yeah, I'll put them in and you'll get to see them when they come out. So you can see them sizzling in there. Definitely crackly as well, so something that you want to listen for. Right now we're at about 50 seconds left, so it's been in there for about 1 minute and 10 seconds. And eventually they'll kind of calm down a little bit. Like I said, the popping will lessen, kind of like popcorn, and it starts to bubble a little bit less, and then you're pretty sure that you're pretty close to done at that point. Alright, so here they are fresh out of the microwave. You can see a little bit of burning around the edges, but it's burned cheese, and who doesn't love burned cheese? So you can see come out, they're nice and hot. So we're just going to let them rest on there. And get the last one here. Let them rest. I was saying on the, you can see the spot here in the middle, still a little bit, it's not crisp. These are the pepper jack ones. I tried pepper jack and Colby, and like I said, the Colby definitely worked a little bit better for that. The pepper jack I had to cook for almost 3 minutes to get it, and I don't know if that's because of the difference in the texture and consistency of jack cheese, or if it's the peppers or whatever, but you can see it is crisp. There's definitely a crunch to it. So as far as flavor, that's really good. I like melted cheese though, so a little tough, but still really good. Let's try one of the Colby Jack. Try the burn side. Much crisper. That's actually like a chip. That's really good. Okay. That just made my day. This is easily one of the best recipes I've made on this channel. That's amazing. And I like them. Parm crisps, Parmesan cheese crisps, those are out on like Sam's sells those, and I'm sure there's other places that sell them. These are way better. They don't have that same kind of, I don't know what the right word is, but it doesn't have that same pungent's a good word, taste. It's just cheese, the kind of cheese that I like. So a little bit more mellow, a little bit more, you could eat it with a lot of different stuff. I could see you using this like with some dip or something, like maybe some salsa and having some chips with your family or whatever. But these are legitimate chips that you can eat. So anyway, 2 thumbs up, perfect 10. We'll make again. Till next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Have a great day.